On our way to the Christmas party.
Hi, my name is Troy.
Just show them the distance. Love that. On our way in. Feels so much later than 6:30.
Yep, hot dog. Yep.
I'm a chance. I love you too.
Hey, Mama, look at that tree.
Yeah.
I mean, that
Castle.
No, that's obviously the tree, Mom.
The tree castle. Space Mountain's looking pretty. It said 30 minutes, but I don't think that's probably accurate. Alright, at Cosmic Rays, they have Snickerdoodle and hot cocoa. At the launching pad, they had sugar cookies and apple cider. We enjoyed Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor. Ashton got to go, like, his face was on the screen. And then we rode, we did Space Ranger Spin before. And then we did Space Mountain with the holiday overlay, which was pretty cool because you could kind of see some of the track with it. So, yeah, now we're going to look at the map and kind of Tweedledee and Tweedledum. Alright, Pinocchio Village House has gingerbread, which is really good, and more hot cocoa. It's hard to kind of drink this hot cocoa because it's so hot out. 73, but so good. Alright, our first time eating at Casey's. Rowan got a foot-long hot dog. Ashton's got some corn dog nuggets, so do I. And then we got the little Christmas tree cake that's part of the party. Yeah, I'll let you know.
bathroom is bad. I think I've been there. That smells great. I'm pretty hungry over here. Did you say candy? No, I gotta say I'm partial to sugar cookies myself. Okay, now my mouth is watering. Can I get a snack over here? Hey, you wanna eat that? Merry Christmas and ho-ho! Did I get that right?
Disney have to know to make me. Doesn't have to know just like annoying me at this point. No, someone personally a white horse named Sheba. Like seriously, Sheba. Happy Christmas! That's one of your horse!
Actually, this seems like we're. That is a something terrifying noise. Not terrifying, actually. Wait, I really like the noise. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But like overwear that, but. Yeah, the bugger wear actually. Christmas box. Anybody gets in here and she brought the camera. Come on, happy the last one. Bye. I'm telling you why. Oh, yeah, this is so sticky. Ugh. Oh, God.
All right, future Melissa here. So I'm gonna end out the video. It was a late night, so we did not do it then, evidently. So the Christmas party was really great. I might do a video kind of reviewing the whole trip a little bit more and talk more about the Christmas party. The kids did not find it as enjoyable. I don't know if they would think the Halloween party was a little bit better. So they kind of bummed me out that they, you know, didn't like it as much. But I thought it was very cool. They gave us a ornament and a decorative print at the party as well, which was really nice. The cookies were all very yummy. Drinks were, yeah, okay. The fireworks were beautiful, and the projections they did on the castle. I have some gorgeous pictures of the castle. The stage show was okay. The parade was really cute. I'm gonna have that song stuck in my head the rest of today now. So yeah, I would say it was a good time. I think it is worth it. Crowds were not bad at all. We didn't ride a whole lot of rides because we had already been in Magic Kingdom, but we did the overlay for Space Mountain. The wait was not very bad. Space Ranger spin, which normally during the day has like a stupid long wait. The wait was not bad at all. The first time we ever did the laugh floor, and we did ride Haunted Mansion. But I think that was kind of in Pirates of the Caribbean. And that was about it for rides, I would say. Yeah, the Casey's was good as well, so all in all, it was a good day. Let me know if you have any questions about the Christmas party. Rowan recorded the parade, so you hear him doing a little commentary of what he thought about the parade during it and some singing, so I hope you enjoyed that. So I will go back inside and share the resource for today. All right, so the resource for today's video is going to be 211. So today is February 11th that I am doing this editing, and February 11th, 2/11, is 211 day. A little holiday within the 211 information referral field. So just a reminder on what 211 is. So it's an information and referral line. So you would give them a call, you would just dial 211, and if your area offers it, you'll be connected to your call center. And you can ask for help with things like food pantries, eviction notices, shut-off notices, anything health or human service related. If you're not big on necessarily talking to someone on the phone, you can go to 211.org, and I will link this in the description below. And you can type in your zip code. I'm just going to put in a random Michigan zip code. And then down here, I always think it's going to go to a different screen, but it's actually just down here below. So that's the 211 that covers the Kalamazoo area. So I can call. There's their traditional local number. You can text
your zip code to 898211, and then you can also search their database online as well. 24/7, 365. Looks like you can link to their Facebook too, which is really cool. All right, well, happy 211 day. Please let me know if you have any questions. Please subscribe and like, and the next video will be Epcot. Thanks. Bye.